Who let the dogs out? 23rd of August, 2020. Hello there, Thomas. Hello, Thomas dog. Here we go. Oh, sorry. We got little Thomas here. Oh, Thomas dog. 23rd of August, Sunday, and he goes up and down the stairs now. Watch this. We're going to carry him down the stairs so that we can have some evidence that he's learned to negotiate the stairs. Here we go. Show them how you can climb. Hey, Thomas. There he is. Came up those stairs. There he goes. He's a racing demon. He tries to pick fights with Lindsay there. See that? And Lindsay beats him up a little bit. A little bit of a bite. Come on, Lindsay. And that's a... Come on, Lindsay. Lindsay a little bit smacked him around. See that? You defend yourself, Lindsay. You defend yourself. You don't let the ankle biter take advantage. Right. Who let the dogs out?